Hello guys, in this step-by-step video, I will show you how to see someone recent followers on Instagram. So the step are so simple to follow on Android device as well as on iOS device. First of all, go and open your Instagram app. So after you open your Instagram, all you have to do now, tap on this as you can see now, tap on this search icon to search for the person that you want to see his recent followers. So for me as you can see now, after I tap on this search, I will just go and search for someone that I want to see his recent followers. Let's say I want to search for let's say I want to search Davido. So as you can see now, after I search this, let's say I want to search this famous person. As you can see now, this person has 2.7 million followers on Instagram. So if I want to see his recent followers, all I have to do now, after you search the person, tap on this followers section. So under this followers section, as you can see now, the first option it says followers, the second option it says following, and the last option it says for you. So stay from this section, tap on this section, this first option which says followers. So as you can see now, so every account on Instagram, his new followers or his recent followers are the followers that are at the top, as you can see now. Now, recent followers of this account are these followers that are at the top. So the top followers are the recent followers of anyone on Instagram. So if you want to know all this now, go back to your own profile as you can see down. If you tap for your own profile, and if you tap on these followers on your own account, so you can realize that all your new followers are the followers that are at the top, as you can see now. You can realize that all your new followers are the followers that are at the top. So means anyone on Instagram, his new followers or his recent followers are the followers that are at the top. So now, for example, as you can see now, make sure those to recognize this name. As you can see, here is the name now on this account, last followers. So if I tap on this back arrow now, if I now close the, so now I'll just refresh, like if I refresh just like this, and if I go back to the person account, as you can see now, so if I tap on his followers again, so as you can see now, now the person had disappeared because this account is getting massive amount of followers every minute. As you can see now he's getting almost massive account. As you can see now this person has almost go to below because he is getting just massive amount of followers every minute. So as you can see now he got new followers every minute. He's getting followers. That's it guys. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like and ask question in the comment. Thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next video.